Hence, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that the International Centre Goa is pleased to felicitate Sri Damodar Mauzo for his contribution to Konkani literature and for receiving the Jnanpith Award 2022. Please join me in giving him a standing ovation.
म्हळ्यार काळीज भरून आयिल्लें आसा म्हणजे परस थोडीशी लज दिसता, संकोच दिसता. इतल्या खातीर की म्हज्याच घरांत गेटींग फेलिसिटेशन एट माय ओन फेस्टिवल इज सो एम्बरेसींग. सो यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड हाव आय फील. बट देन आय एम रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड बाय दीस जेस्चर फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड्स यतीन, Vivek, and I don't know how many are involved in this conspiracy, I would say, because until I arrived here, I did not know that they are going to do this felicitation act here. But anyway, I am very thankful to ICG and Goa Literature Festival and all of you. ज्ञानपीठ मेळप हें व्हडलें न्ही. म्हाका चड आनंद आसा साहित्याचो जो प्रवास जाला. Over the last 6 decades that I have been working, I have been active in the field of literature. I have learnt a lot of things, and I am still learning. Of course, the process is on. But one thing I should say, Jnanpith Award made me. I won't say proud as such, but I felt proud of my language, which made me possible to get this award. A decade back or 2 decades back, probably nobody thought. Ravindra Keyakar ji, he got the award, the first one. By the way, I'm just bringing to your notice, Ravindra Keyakar was the first essayist to get this honor, Jnanpith Award, in the history of Jnanpith. No essayist has won the award. And now this is the second Jnanpith that has come our way. I hope this will inspire younger generation, particularly the Konkani writers, to face the challenge and raise their bar and सगळी तांकां फावो तें मेळचें इतलें म्हणटा. I have no words to express my gratitude. I thank you Yatin, and thank you everybody.